Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to send money from the Cash App to the Chime card. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, you need to open the Cash App on your mobile device. Next, what you need to do is log in with your account. After that, you will get to see a banking page. So, go to the banking page. Now, you will need to add a new bank account to your Cash App application. To do this, you need to click on the Link Bank option. This will bring up a list of the various types of bank accounts that you can add. Choose Chime. When you add your bank account to the Cash App, you can transfer money to those accounts and request it from them as well. This allows you to pull money from wherever you have it and pay it to your friends without needing to pay a fee as you do on PayPal or similar services. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.